Vietnam official the Social Republic of Vietnam (SRV) is a country at the eastern edge of mainland South Asia with an area of about 331,000 square kilometers or 128,000 sq.mi and a population of over 100 million. Making it the world 15th most population country, one of the two Marxist-Leninist states in South Asia. Vietnam shares land borders with China to the north and Laos and Cambodia to the west. It shares maritime borders with Thailand to the Gulf of Thailand, of the Philippines, Indonesia, and Malaysia to the South China Sea.
Vietnam.
Its capital is Hanoi and its largest city is Hanoi Chi Minh City. Social Republic of Vietnam. Trong Hoa Sa Hoi Chu Ngahia Vietnam. Vietnam's flag emblem method dot lap to do han pot independence, freedom, happiness. Anthem Tin Huan Cha, the song of the marching troops. Location of Vietnam Green in Asian Track. Hanoi, capital. 21
Thank you. So
derajat 20 and 107 derajat 35 largest city by urban population. Ho Chi Minh City 10 derajat 48 and 106 derajat 39 Official language Vietnamese ethnic group 2019. Active 5.31% Kin Vietnamese, 14.68% other. Religion 2019. 86.32% no religion or folk, 6.1% Catholicism, 4.79% Buddhism, 1.2% Wahhabiism, 1% Protestantism, 0.58% Cambodism, 0.07% Islam Muslim, 0.12% other. 2A. Demons. Vietnam is a Viet colloquial government unitary Marxist Leninist one party socialist republic. General Secretary To Lam, President Lau Cho Ong, Prime Minister Pham Minh Chinh, National Assembly Tan Han Man, Legislature National Assembly, Formation Phân Lang 7 country BC, AU Let's 3 country BC, Hans X Na Sha Shin 111 BC, Independence from China 939, regaining independence 1428, Nguyen's unification 1802, Protectorate Treaty 25 August 1883, Declaration of Independence 2 September 1945, North South Partition 21 July 1954. End of Vietnam War 30 April 1975. Reunification 2 July 1976. Doi Moi 18 December 1986. Current Constitution 28 November 2013. Area total 331.344.82 km persegi or 127.932.95 SCMI. Water 6.38%. Population 2023 estimated 100,300,000. 15 in the world. 2019 census 97,208,984. Density 298 km persegi or 770.8 SCMI. 49 in the world. GDP PBB 2024 estimated total 1.559 trillion US dollar. 26 in the world. Per kapita
jadi kita tukar 2 juta ya,
15
2 juta di convert ke mata uang dong jadi 3 juta.
400
Saya coba tukar, saya punya 1 juta
70 US dollar. 106 in the world. GDP nominal 2024 estimated total
wow,
400
jadi 1.500.000.
65
Oke.
Thousand
Jadi
814 billion US dollar. 33 in the world. Per kapita
ayo, kita akan coba tes nih.
4.623
Akan tes coba
US dollar.
hari ini uang
119 in the world. JINA 2020
ini tadi
up to
kita tukar
36.8
2 juta
medium inequality.
di-convert ke
HDI
mata uang dong
0.766 hack.
kira-kira jadi berapa?
93 in the world. Currency Vietnamese dong. VD
Jadi 1.500.000.
time zone UTC 7 o'clock Vietnam Standard Time. Calling active for ISO 1366 kode VN. Internet TLD.VN. The article contains Vietnamese text without popular reading support. You may see question mark, boxes, or other symbols instead of Chong Nam, Chow Han, and Chow Chan No. Vietnam has inhabited by the Paleolithic age, with status established in the first millennium BC on the Red River Delta in modern-day northern Vietnam. Before the Han Dynasty invasion, Vietnam was marked by a vibrant mix of religion, culture, and social norms. The Han Dynasty annexed northern and central Vietnam, which were subsequently under Chinese rule from 111 BC until the first dynasty emerged in 939. Successive monarchical dynasties absorbed Chinese influence thought, Confucianism, and Buddhism, and expanded southward to the Mekong Delta, conquering Champa. During most of the 17th, 18th centuries, Vietnam was effectively divided into to the month of Dong Trong and Dong Nguai, the Nguyen, the last imperial dynasty, surrendered to France in 1883. In 1887, its territory was integrated into France, Indochina, as there several regions in the immediate aftermath of World War II. The Viet Minh, a coalition formed by the Communist Revolution, Ho Chi Minh launched the Aegis Revolution and declared Vietnam independence from the Empire of Japan in 1945. Vietnam went through prolonged warfare in the 20 country. After World War II, France returned to reclaim colonial power in the First Indochina War, from which Vietnam emerged victorious in 1954 as a result of the treaties signed between the Viet Minh and France. Vietnam was also separated in two parts. The Vietnam War began shortly after, but when the Communist North Vietnam, supported by the Soviet Union and China, and the anti-communist South Vietnam, supported by the United States, he found the North Vietnam's victory in 1975. Vietnam reunified as a unitary social state under the Communist Part of Vietnam (CPV) in 1976. And an effective planned economy, a trend embargo by the West, and war with Cambodia and China crippled the country further in 1986. The CPV initiated economic and political reform similar to the Chinese economic reform, transforming the country to a socially oriented market economy. The reform facilitated Vietnam's reintegration into the global economy and politics. Vietnam, as a developing country with a lower middle income economy, it has a level of corruption, censorship, environmental issues, and a poor human record. It is part of international and intergovernmental institutions, including the ASEAN, the APEC, the Non-Aligned Movement, the OIF, and the WTO. It has assumed a set on the United Nations Security Council Twitch economy, main activity economy of Vietnam. History GDP per capita, government of Vietnam details. GDP per capita 1820 to 2018. 1820 $1,000 US. 1815 $1,000 US. 1,900 $1,000 US. 1950 up to $1,000 US. 2,000 US dollar. 2018 Vietnam up to 6,000 US dollar. GDP per capita adjust for price change over time, inflation and price difference between countries. It is measured in international US dollar in 2011 price. South Medic Show Profit Database 2020, World and Van Jandon 2020, of World Data.org, Economy Growth CCCP, Share of World GDP PBB years 1980, share 0.21%, years 1990, share 0.28%, years 2000, share 0.39%, years 2010, share 0.52%, years 2020, share 0.80%. Talk the history of Vietnam. Its economy has been based largely on agriculture, primarily with rice cultivation bauxite, an important material in the product of aluminum, is mined in central Vietnam. Since the reunification, the country economy is supported primarily by the CPV Talk 5-year plan, decided upon at the plenary session of the Central Committee and National Congress. The selectivization of farm, factories, and capital gold was carried out as part of the establishment of central planning, with millions of people working for state enterprises under strict state control. Vietnam economy continued to be plagued by inefficiency, corruption in state owner enterprise, poor quality, and underproduction. With the declining economy aid from its main trading partner, the Soviet Union, following the erosion of the Earth's border in the last 1980 and the subsequent collapse of the Soviet Union, as well as the negative impact of the post-war trade embargo imposed by the United States, Vietnam began to liberalize the trade by devaluing its exchange rate to increase import and embarked on a policy of economic development. Now, Vietnam lies secured the landmark 81 location in Binh Thanh District, Ho Chi Minh City. In 1986, the Sixth National Congress of the CPV introduced social-oriented market economy reform as part of the Doi Moi reform programs. Private ownership began to be encouraged in industry, commercial, and agriculture, and state enterprises were instructed to operate under market constraints. The life of the 5-year economy plan began replaced by the social-oriented market mechanism. As a result of the reform, Vietnam achieved approximately 8% annual gross domestic product (GDP) growth between 1990 and 1997. The United States ended its economic embargo against Vietnam in early 1994, although the 1997 Asian financial crisis caused an economic slowdown to 4 to 5% growth per year. Its economy began to recover in 1999 and grow at around 7% per year from 2000 to 2005. When the Western in the world on 11 January 2007, Vietnam became the 150th member of the WTO, World Trade Organization. According to General Status Officer of Vietnam, GSO, growth remained strong despite the late 2000 global recession, holding at 6.8% in 2010. Vietnam year-on-year inflation rate reached 11.8% in December 2010, and the country, the Vietnam dong, was devalued 3 times, but profit defined as the percentage of the population living on less than $1 per day has declined significantly in Vietnam, and the relative poverty rate is now less than that of China, India, and the Philippines. That development can be attributed to equitable economy policy aimed at improving living standards and preventing the rise of inequality. Those policies have included egalitarian and redistribution during the initial stage of the Doi Moi program, investment in poorer remote areas, and subsidizing of education and healthcare. Since the early 2000s, Vietnam has employed sequential trade liberalization to track upward opening some sector of the economy to international market. Manufacturing, information technology, and high-tech industries now from a larger and fast-growing part of the national economy. Although Vietnam is a relative no recount the oil industry, it is the third largest oil product in South Asia with a total 2011 output of 318,000 barrels per day, or 50,600 meter cubic per day. In 2010, Vietnam was ranked as the 8th largest petroleum product in the Asia and Pacific region. The US bought the biggest share of Vietnam export, while Vietnam, China, where the most population Vietnam import is on funding by the International Monetary Fund (IMF). In 2022, the unemployment rate in Vietnam was 2.3%, The nominal GDP US dollar 452 billion, and a nominal GDP per capita US dollar 4,012 to 312 in the world. Besides the primary sector economy, tourism has contributed significantly to Vietnam economic growth with 7.94 million foreign visitors recorded in 2015. Agriculture, as a result of several market liberalization measures, Vietnam has become a major exporter of agricultural products. It is now the world's largest product of cashew nut with a 1/3 global share, the largest producer of black pepper, accounting for 1/3 of the world market, and the second largest rice export in the world after Thailand since the 1990. Subsequently, Vietnam is also the world's second largest exporter of coffee. The country has the high proportion of land used for permanent crops, together with other states in the Greater Mekong Subregion. Other primary exports include tea, rubber, and fish products. Agriculture share of Vietnam GDP has fallen in recent decades, declining from 42% in 1989 to 20% in 2006, as production in other sectors of the economy has risen. Seafood, the overall fisheries product of Vietnam from capture fisheries and aquaculture, was 5.6 million MT in 2011 and 6.7 million MT in 2016. The output of Vietnam fisheries sector has shown strong growth, which could be attributed to the continued expansion of the aquaculture subsector. Science and technology. Main article: Science and technology in Vietnam. Vietnam Mother Top IO 3.0 humanoid ping pong playing robot displayed during to the 2009 International Robot Exhibition in Tokyo. In 2010, Vietnam total spending on science and technology amounted to 0.4% of its GDP. Vietnam's citizens have made many significant contributions in various fields of study, most notably in mathematics. Wang Toi pioneered the applied mathematics field of global optimization in the 20th century. Will Dong Bao Chao won the 2010 Fields Medal for his proof of fundamental lemma in the theory of automorphism from since the establishment of the Vietnam Academy of Science and Technology (VEST) by the government in 1975. The country is working to develop its first national space flight program, especially after the completion of the infrastructure at the Vietnam Space Center (VSC) in 2018. Vietnam has also made a significant advance in the development of robots, such as the Tokyo humanoid model. One of Vietnam's main messaging APPS, Zalo, was developed by Vung Tay, a Vietnam hacker who worked with the country's larger information technology service company, the FPT Group. Vietnam science students working on an experiment in the university lab. According to UNESCO Institute for Statistics, Vietnam developed 0.19% of its GDP to science research and development in 2011. Vietnam was ranked 48 in the Global Innovation Index in 2024. It has increased its ranking considerably since 2012, where it was ranked 7.8. Between 2005 and 2014, the number of Vietnam scientific publications recorded in Thomson Reuters Web of Science increased at a rate well above the average for South Asia, albeit from a model starting point. Publication focus mainly on life sciences, 22%, physics, 13%, and engineering, 13%, which inconsistent with recount advances in the product of diagnosis, equipment, and shipbuilding tourism. Main article tourism in Vietnam. Hoi An, UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a major tourism destination. Photo is Japanese breed tourism in an important element of economic activity in the national, contributing 7.5% of the total GDP. Vietnam has 13 million tourism in 2017, an increase of 29.1% over the previous years, making it one of the fastest growing tourism destinations in the world. The vast majority of the tourism in the country, some 9.7 million, come from Asia, namely China, 4 million, South Korea, 2.6 million, and Japan. 798.119 Vietnam also attract largest number of visitors from Europe, with almost 1.9 million visitors in 2017. Most European visitors come from Russia, 574.164, followed by the United Kingdom, 283.537, France, 255.396, and German, 199.872. Other significant international arrival by national include the United States, 614.117, and Australia, 370.438. The most visited destinations in Vietnam are the largest city, Ho Chi Minh City, with over 5.8 million international arrival, followed by Hanoi with 4.6 million, and Ha Long, include Ha Long Bay with 4.4 million arrival. Other are ranked in the top 100 most visited cities in the world. Vietnam is home to 8 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in 2018. Travel and Leisure ranked Hoi An as one of the world top 15 best destinations to visit. Transport. Much of Vietnam modern transportation network can trace its route to the French colonial era, when it was used to facilitate the transportation of raw material to its main port. It was extensively expanded and modernized following the partition of Vietnam. Vietnam road system include national road administered at the central level, provincial road managed at the provincial level, district road managed at the district level, urban road managed by cities and towns, and common roads managed at the communal level. In 2010, Vietnam road system had a total length of about 188,744 km, or 115,280 mi, of which
museum that made me and my dad emotional and anxious at the same time. It's War Remnant Museum in District 3, Ho Chi Minh City. The ticket price of this museum is 40,000 VND. As we step inside, we are greeted by exhibits that chronicle the war from various perspectives. Outside, we find an impressive array of military equipment and also this relics of war, including tanks, helicopters, and fighter jets. Moving inside, the ground floor is dedicated to photographic exhibits and historical documents. Here, we see harrowing images that depict the brutal realities of war. These powerful visuals highlight the human cost of the conflict, from civilian casualties to the effects of chemical warfare. One of the most important sections is the Asian Orange Room. This exhibit shows the devastating effects of the herbicide used during the war. Photos and stories of victims, including those suffering from generational birth defects, can also underline the long-term consequences of the conflict. The upper floors delve into war crimes committed during the Vietnam War, war. Through photographs,
Diesel motorcycle and motor scooter
testimonies, and
remain the most
artifacts.
popular
I
form
think
of
a visit
road
to
transport in the
Remnant
country.
Museum is a
Legacy
powerful and emotional
of the
journey at
French
the same
of the
time
number
through
of
one of the most
privately
turbulent
owned
periods
car
in
has
Vietnam's
been
history. It
increasing
serves
in
not only
recent
as a
years,
reminder
while
of the
buses
past, but
operated
also
by
a call for
private
peace and
companies are the main model of long
reconciliation. I
distance
really recommend you
travel
guys to
for much
come here
of
and
the
to know
population.
about
Traffic
the story
policing
behind the
remains
Vietnam
major
War.
safety issue
Ikut
of
aku
Vietnam
ke
transportation
Museum
with
of Ho Chi Minh
an
City.
average
Hai,
of
hai, balik
30
lagi.
people lashing
Hai,
their
hai,
lives
Vietnam.
daily.
Harga tiketnya
Congestion
30.000
is growing problem in
Kalau kalian ada
Hanoi
kartu
and Ho
pelajar,
Chi Minh
harganya
City,
15.000.
especially
Yuk,
with the
kita
growth
masuk
of
bersama-tama.
individual
Kalian
car
akan disambut
ownership.
oleh
Vietnam primarily
koleksi
cross country
lucu yang
trail
Di galeri ini,
service
koleksi di
the
sini berasal dari
reunification
Vietnam,
expert
China,
from Ho Chi Minh
Kamboja,
City
Thailand,
to Hanoi.
Indonesia, Malaysia,
Distance
Lanjut masuk nggak perlu bingung
of
karena
nearly
ada signage dengan nomor
1
dan juga informasi galeri.
726
Galeri pertama
kilometers
ada prehistoric
or
period tentang Stone Age di Vietnam. Galeri kedua
72
the
mi
first period
from
of
Hanoi.
founding
The well
and struggle
leans
for
branch
independence.
out to the
Total galeri di museum
north,
ini ada
north and
14
west. The
correct me if I'm wrong
eastbound
ya.
land route from
Galerinya
Hanoi to
dari
Ha Long Bay.
tentang
The
keinginan,
northbound
arca,
land from
patung,
Hanoi to
sampai
Tai
replika
Nguyen
orang
and the
yang
north
berbaring itu
land from
juga
Hanoi
ada.
to
Isinya
Lai Chai
sangat lengkap
in
dan edukatif.
2009.
Isi keseluruhannya
Vietnam and Japan
mencakup
signed
sejarah
a
tentang
deal to
Vietnam
build
pada
a
masa Stone
Nick
Age
Squid
sampai
River
Vietnam masa kini. Museum ini
Shinkansen
buka dari hari Selasa
with train
sampai
using
Minggu
Japan's
jam
technology.
8
Vietnam
pagi sampai
engines
jam
version to
12
Japan
pagi,
to
lalu
recover
istirahat sebentar dan buka
training the
lagi jam 1 sampai
operation
jam
and
5 sore. Hari Senin
maintenance
mereka
of
libur,
expect
jadi
train.
jangan
The plane
sampai kalian
rail will be
datang ke sini di hari Senin ya. Yang koleksi-koleksi patung di sini
1,545 km
kebanyakan
or
ada kepalanya juga sama
960 mi long express road service.
Nah, ini
A
aku
total
iseng
of
banget
23
ngikutin mahasiswa yang
stations
lagi ikut
include
dalam
Hanoi and
museum.
Ho Chi Minh
Karena
City
aku
with
pengen dapet
70%
penjelasan juga dari tour
of
guide.
routes running
Dijelasinnya pakai
on bridge
bahasa
and tow
Vietnam, jadi aku
tunnels.
mundur
The
pelan
train
dan
will train
meneruskan
a
jalan-jalan.
maximum speed of
Overall, jika kalian pengen tahu sejarah dan budaya
350
Vietnam,
km
tepatnya Southern
or
Vietnam atau
220
Vietnam
mi
Selatan,
per
boleh
house
banget berkunjung
plan
ke
for the
museum.
high
Kalau
speed
kalian ke
rail line
museum, sebelah
over
kirinya langsung
have been
ada Saigon
postponed
Zoo.
after the
Yuk,
Vietnam
guys,
government
dulu ceritaku
decided
hari ini.
to
Bye-bye.
prioritize the development of both the Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City metro and expand road network instead. Energy. Vietnam energy sector in dominated largest by the state control Vietnam Electric Group EVNV as of 2070. EVN mother are about 61% of the central power general system with a total power capacity of 25.884 MW. Other energy sources are Protect Vietnam 4,435 MW, Vinacom 1,785 MW, and 10.31 MW from build operated transfer BUT investor. Telecommunication service in Vietnam are world provided by the Vietnam Post and Telecommunication General Corporation. Now the VNPT Group with is a state-owned company. The VNPT related in monopoly until 1986. The telecom sector was reformed in 1995 when the Vietnam's government began to implement a competitive policy with the creation of two domestic telecommunication company, the Military Electric and Telecommunication Company, VLAT, which is